Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Royal Interior World. In the video, I have shared sliding wardrobe design for hall. In the video, I have shared all the wardrobe designs with 3 doors. In sliding wardrobes, 3 doors are not very common, but you will find 3 doors also look very stylish and attractive. In the video, I have shared all the designs with the 3-door sliding wardrobes, which I think are optimal for your hall or your living room or drawing room. But you can also choose these designs for your bedrooms too. To keep your hall clutter-free, wardrobes one of the most important things in the hall or your living room. Cupboards designed for living rooms are an integral part of the interior decor today. The best cupboard designs for hall are beautiful and spacious so that the clutter is kept to a minimum and locating important items stored in the space is easy. In simple terms, we can say that to store your necessary items and to keep your hall clutter free, you need a good size wardrobe in your hall or living room too, along with the bedrooms. It will not provide you extra storage space in your hall or living room, but also create an eye-catching look with the modern sliding doors. You will find in the video we have a various type of sliding door designs that can be used for a hall or living room. If you choose a glass sliding door for your hall or living room, it will definitely create a spacious appearance in your small hall. And many other type of examples I have shared in the video. I hope you will find helpful these designs for you. If you like the video, you can like it and share it. If you are newbie on this channel, you can subscribe this channel for more such type of interior design ideas. And furthermore, in the video we will discuss about some things which are necessary to keep in mind while planning wardrobe in hall or living room. Whenever we think about a cupboard in the hall, we always have one question in mind: how to choose best cupboard design for hall or living room. Here are some points to keep in mind while planning a wardrobe design for your hall or living room. First of all, think about the type of wardrobe which you want in your hall or living room. Freestanding or built-in wardrobes are the two of the first options you will have to consider, as we know that it is easy to move freestanding wardrobes from one place to another. So if you are living in a rental house, this can be a good option for you. In this category of wardrobes, you can buy one a ready-made wardrobe, or you can find a custom-made wardrobes are an options as well. And if your home is permanent, you want to choose a built-in wardrobe, that is also a good option. Although we cannot move built-in wardrobes, but still they have their own benefits. Like you can choose materials like marble or cement for built-in wardrobes, and you have a various options to modify these wardrobes according to your storage needs. But yes, they will take time to design and install, but they are sturdy and last for longer times. And always keep in mind what type of wardrobe you want to choose. You can, but the doors of your wardrobe should be matched with the overall interior designing of your hall or living room. And the next thing to keep in mind while purchasing or designing a cupboard for your hall or living room: measurements. Before purchasing a closet, measure the floor space and the height of the ceiling. Check the height of the garment rod as well. In addition, deeper shelves are preferable since they offer more space for storing items. However, your clothing should be accessible, So make sure the overall measurement is not greater than 15 inches. Also make sure that the wardrobe does not obstruct any of the room's lighting fixtures. With these tips, create a perfect measurement of the wardrobe in your hall or living room. And another thing which keep in mind is style and design. It is one of the most important thing to keep in mind because wardrobes occupy lots of space in your bedroom, hall, or living rooms. So for creating perfect look, match the style of the closet to your decor. If your hall includes an intricate design, a wardrobe with ornamental doors is a good choice. But if you have a overall simple look in your hall, then choose simple wardrobe doors to match with these interior designing. And as I said earlier, choose the door designs according to the size of your hall or living room. Glass door designs for small living rooms or hall are a great option. Another thing to keep in mind while deciding a wardrobe in your hall, make a decision on the type of storage you will need for your wardrobe. Make sure you have enough hanging space for your clothes and another items. If many accessories dominate your closet, you will want to invest in a piece within various drawers. In this way, you may store various items in each of the drawer. Investing in a new wardrobe doesn't have to break the bank. A wide range of solutions can accommodate different budgets. So when you buy a hall wardrobe, keep these considerations in mind to ensure that you choose the best cupboard. Choosing the best cupboard design for the hall is not easy and take time. The above highlighted designs work well for all sizes of living rooms. If you need help from a professional interior designer, you will surely find a trusted interior designer for you. So friends, with these tips, I hope you will find a beautiful wardrobe or cupboard design for your hall or living room or bedroom. In the video, I have shared many type of 3-door sliding door designs. I hope this video will be helpful for you to finding a beautiful door design for your hall or living room. In the video, you will find various trends in sliding doors also, and you will find new and unique type of 3-door sliding wardrobe designs. Enjoy the video. Thank you for visiting here. Bye bye.